Welcome back. My name is Dave and this is Fuzzee Tutorials. So today I'm going to show you how to copy objects evenly around a circle in Picta Graphic for macOS. Let's get started. Okay, so the little sample project we're going to be working with here today is making little knobbies on a tire. This is a perfect example of where knowing how to do this can really save you a lot of time. So I've already created the shape that will be used to create the little knobbies on the tire. And I know that in this case there's going to be 25 of them all the way around the tire. So to get a couple of measurements that we need, we're going to take 360 degrees and divide by the number of objects, which is 25, and that gives us 14.4 degrees. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go to the rotate tool. So this is R on the keyboard, or we can click here on the tool ribbon. Now we need to take this rotation point and set it dead center. So to make sure I get it exactly where I need it, I'm going to create some guidelines here. And we're going to line these up in the middle. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. Now there is a way that we can be a little more precise if we actually select our wheel here, and these little squares here are going to be centered. Now to get it centered the way we want on just the tire, we have to deselect that shape. Okay, so you can see our line here in the middle isn't quite centered exactly. So we'll just center it right on those little squares there. And that should be close enough for our purposes. So now we'll select our shape and go back to our rotation tool, and then we'll take this little center cross here and we're going to move it down. We're just dragging it with the mouse and we're going to move it right to the center. So now as we copy this, it's going to rotate around that center point. That's very important for this to work right. So I have to go in here and set our degrees to 14.4, and then we're just going to hit copy. And you'll notice that it's turning it to the right orientation as it's going around the wheel. And we just keep it going until we've got them all. And that's all there is to it. So if you want to get into a deep dive in Picta Graphic for macOS, make sure to check out our masterclass series. The first one is available for free on my YouTube channel, and the rest are available on my Udemy site, which I will put a link in the description below. I'm still in the midst of finishing up those episodes, so check back periodically and I will post the link there for the whole series when it's done. So if you enjoyed this video today, please make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for hanging out with me today. We'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.